Okay, so the Balkan food workshop that we've been attending this week has been discussing progress that we've made in establishing the European Food Composition Data Interchange Platform that was originally set up by the Eurofa project and currently is being worked on by Eurofa Nexus and Eurofa ASBL. One of the major outputs from the Eurofa work has been the establishment of the Eurofa ASBL non-profit association in Belgium, which helps to sustain the food data interchange platform that's used by many researchers, nutritional and health professionals. One of the aims of the workshop here in Belgrade has been to strengthen the links between Serbia and the other Balkan food countries through the agreement and signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between these centres and also Eurofa ASBL. Hopefully this collaboration will continue in the future through joint training and support activities between the countries and also looking for additional funding and resources both from the region and also from other European projects in the future.
Many of the faces are very familiar to me, and welcome to one that I know. And for the new partners and new country partners, I'm very proud to say that we have now partners from Russia, not only from Moscow region, but also from Vladivostok region. There is also a new participant for Cyprus, and I'm so glad that we have people from Moldavia coming in. We had many activities in the last 6 years here. First few years they were dedicated to introduction. What are the activities within the capacity development? What are our training needs and what are the gaps in the knowledge and training that we need to cover? So through those activities as the network, we will also recognize that in the future, and I hope very soon, we will be active partner in many of the new FP7 and hopefully in a new cycle of the European project Horizon. I said this is a new beginning. It is a new beginning because we unfortunately don't have University of United Nations with us anymore. That program is cancelled. But we decided not to die together with this program because we built such a strong network, and it will be sad that all of those activities are gone. As many of the network of excellence, this network needs to sustain, and I hope that we will have in the future possibilities to survive.
In European Nexus project, IMR started to develop the food composition database on regional level and responsible for developing the Balkan food platform. Together with the Network for the Capacity Development in Nutrition in Central and Eastern European countries, and we organized several times workshops and trainings with the partners and member countries from the Balkan. The software what we developed in Eurofir, which is harmonized with the recommendations from the Eurofir for developing the food composition database management software, we use in creation of the regional food composition database for the Balkan platform. We organize 3 workshops and training seminars, and contribution from different countries from the beginning from Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, Macedonia, Montenegro, and all this, and Moldova. In all these countries contributed with the data about the food composition database, and we are harmonizing all data according to the European criteria and standards. This food composition database for region is very important because it will be used from different users. For example, researchers, policymakers, food industry, then also for dietitians, for nutritionists, for consumers. So it will be really used from different users, and it is important that we have a regional food composition database with the food from this region, with the nutritive values, and this Balkan food platform will be linked and connected with all other European countries with e-search facility, actually connected with the through e-search software tool and linked with other food composition database in Europe.
I have followed the development all the way from Subotica to Belgrade and how it has developed into the professional group. I'm very impressed about the quality of what they do. Past work has really been excellent. It will be interesting to see how they managed to go on further on, and now they have the food composition table, which is the focus. So nobody or very few has actually looked towards Central and Eastern Europe for guidance. What makes me positively or to look at this issue in a very positive way is that you have very well qualified staff. The updates are fantastic. The software that they develop now is something we have talked about for ages, but nobody have had the money to do it. Now they do it. The primary of that was done on a more or less voluntary basis, and it is fantastic what it produces. I really hope they achieve to build a regional food composition table or data management, and with the data management system, because this is something valuable, it's very useful, and it's forward-looking, looking towards the future.
Serbian food composition database has been established 7 years ago. In this moment, we are working on the development of traditional recipes into the food composition database so that it can be used for